Welcome to How Logical the World of Tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Telegram series part 4. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to allow access to Telegram files. You won't be able to download or see the downloaded files if you have not allowed access to Telegram files. So for that, open your device settings. Scroll down and click on Applications and Permissions. Remember, this may be different in other mobile devices. Then click on App Manager. Here search for Telegram app. Once you find it, click on Permissions. After you reach this page, click on Storage. Here you can see the Deny option is selected. That means you won't be able to save any files from Telegram. So to allow access to your Telegram files, you need to allow the first option that says Allow access to media only. Click on that and here you go. This is how it is done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.